Hello viewers, welcome to Tech for You. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create Apple ID on the web. Okay, so to create Apple ID on the web, you will need two things. That is an email and a phone number. So you make sure you have these two things before starting this tutorial. Okay, so now I will just open my browser, then come to the search, Google search right here. Then I will type Apple. When I search for Apple, I will get to the Apple official website. So this is the Apple official website. I'll click on it for it to open. Okay, so now this is the Apple official website. Now quickly, I will click on the bag right here at the top right corner. So I'll hit on it. When I hit on it, I will get something like this. Then I'll come and click on create account or account. Okay, so after clicking on the account, this is what I'm going to see on my screen. So Apple is telling me to sign in to my Apple store, but then I don't have an account, so I will come down here and say create yours. Okay, so it will open a new tab for me, and then it will open the Apple form for me to put in my details. So now I'll enter my first name, my last name. Then the country, I will have to select the country that I'm from. I'm actually from Ghana, so I will pick Ghana. Then I will fill in my date of birth. Okay, so I am done. So I have to enter my email. So this is my email. So this is actually going to be your new Apple ID. So make sure you have access to this one. Then I will enter my password. Please, when you are putting in your password, make sure you put in a strong password, else they will deny it. Okay, so I'm putting in my password. Okay, I have to confirm. Okay, so I will have to enter my phone number right here. So I'll enter my phone number. Then I'll come down. So now if I want to get update from Apple, I will just hit on this one, or I will leave it as it is. I want to be getting those messages to know what is going on. So I have to enter this code to proceed. So okay, after I'm done with the forms and everything, I'll just hit on continue. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. It is telling me to go to my email to check and verify. So quickly, I'll go to my email. I'll go to my email to check the message. Okay, so now I can see the Apple message right here. So I'll open it. This is my code. I will just copy the code, come here, and come and paste it. Now I can move on. Okay, so I also have to verify my phone number as well. So please check the phone number you used. So I have my code here too. So I will just enter to move on. Okay, so finally I've been able to create an account. That's an Apple ID using the web. So now if I'm trying, or you are trying on your iPhone, iPad, or whatever device, and it is not working, you can try it on the web using this tutorial and it's work for you. Okay, thank you for watching, and keep watching my videos, and please do well to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get it. And also like the video and share for me. Thank you.